Good morning. Here we are once again. Now, as promised, I said we would go over some of these tire shines that we used in Mia's Ultimate Tire Shine Battle. Now, this is Pearl Nano Tire Gel. This was the runner-up to her Ultimate Tire Shine Battle. So, this is our second place finisher. This is a water-based tire shine that is a gel. So, it goes on real nice. Because it's water-based, it will kind of run a little bit. You can see it dripping down, but it gives a nice consistent shine. It goes on really smooth, and it gives a nice high gloss finish. So we really like this. I would place this in like a medium tier tire shine, tire gel. This is really good, and it's going to give you extraordinary results. Not very dangerous, like a 1 maybe on a skin irritant on like a GHS scale. Nothing, just don't drink it, as Mia would say. But other than that, this is a very great tire shine. 8-ounce bottle costs you about $14-15. Get it from callingalldetailers.com or pearlnano.com. Check it out. This is a great tire shine. Pearl Nano Tire Gel. Check it out.